Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today you guys can see me out here next to the Atal Tunnel. We've crossed it. I'm standing out here. You can see the beautiful Himalayas behind me, the snow-capped mountains. I'm not sure if you can see the river out there, but the river is also beautiful. It's not blue, but it's fucking beautiful. धूप निकली हुई है, बहुत सही सीन हो रखे हैं यहाँ पे. It's been fucking amazing right now. Beautiful day to make a video. So I thought, why not, make a video for you guys. So in today's video, we're gonna cover how do you manage your work and your dating life as a busy working professional, because this is one of the biggest things that we get from a number of people. The clients that we work with are mainly high performing working professionals, and sometimes you might feel that if you have a girlfriend, if you have a wife, or if you have a partner, it's going to distract you from your purpose and you being ambitious, which is not true at all. Secondly, what people feel is that because they don't have the time, because they're spending 12 hours a day working Monday to Saturday, and then maybe they're preparing for something else as well, maybe they want to go abroad, some stuff that they're doing which keeps them really busy. They feel that they don't have the time, and years are just passing by, them being lonely, them not having a partner, them not working on their dating life. So in this video, let's sort that out for you. Let's get you guys out there, let's get you over that loneliness, and let's find you a partner. Let's get that going. Let's go.
Oh my, middle of the night, fire casts a light on you. I slide a little to the right, just so I be next to you. As the world goes round and round, you take my hand and we leave the ground. I'm in the stars when you're around. I wanna fly with you. 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 Drop it.
What up boys, welcome back to the video. My name is Kshitij and you're watching Iron Man Lifestyle. Today we're talking about how to manage your work and dating as a busy working professional while not losing out on your ambitiousness, while still getting things done. Couple of things I want you to understand out here, alright? Firstly, so for us to be happy in life, why you subscribe to this channel, why you're even watching this video, is because you want your dating life to happen. And if you're a busy working professional, you don't want to compromise on your work life, you want to be ambitious as well. So you don't want any girl coming in, or you don't want the time to find a girl, spoiling your career. And I understand that perfectly, alright. But for you to be happy, you might feel that you need a partner. And happiness is not only going to be slogging your hours in the workplace, thinking that when you're going to be 30, 40, 50 years old, then you're going to have a lot of money, and then you're going to have a lot of time to go out there and meet women. That's a reality that is not going to be true, alright. If we spend our time just focusing on one thing and ignore all the other areas of our life, including our health, our dating, our spirituality, our meditation, it's going to have a toll on us. Just working on and on and on 12 hours continuously, no matter how much you like it, it's going to have a toll on your body, because we're not taking care of our health, we're not taking care of our dating life, we're not meeting our friends. It's becoming very lonely for us. And even if when you turn 50 years old, if you have a lot of money about that, but you don't have the body to enjoy that money, or you don't have any partner to share it with, or you don't have friends, now you're not at that age to attend those music festivals, or you're not at that age to travel around because you didn't take the break at that point in time, or maybe you had a lot of fear of taking a break, you're going to have a lot of regrets about it. And here, I don't want you to have those regrets. So first thing you got to understand is you got to start spinning plates. So spinning plates is going to be, let's divide your life into a couple of buckets or plates, whatever. So first plate is going to be your work life. You guys are amazing at that. Fucking A, go do that. Second plate could be your dating life. Third plate could be your social life, which is your friends and family and everyone. Fourth plate could be your meditation, spirituality, and fifth could be your health and diet and everything you're working out. Now, out of these 4 or 5 things, you need to decide what is the most important for you right now. Considering by the title of the video, I think it's going to be your work life. If that's the most important, what I want you to do is I want you to put in 70 to 80% of your effort out there. But then the rest of the effort, so let's say you're putting in 10 to 12 hours of work, put it out there, alright? Not telling you to do anything about it. But what you do is the other buckets, the other plates that are there of your social life, your dating life, your health and everything, put in 5, 10% out there as well. Alright, just divide it about it. So you're doing 12 hours in one thing. I'm pretty sure you can take out 10 minutes to meditate today. I'm pretty sure you can take out an hour to go to the gym and get that body going, because that's going to help your dating life, that's going to help your mindset, that's going to help you perform, be more confident even while giving a presentation out there. The way you look, the way you carry yourself, the way you dress up, you're going to feel more confident in your body as well. The more you ignore your body, the more you're going to feel like maybe who's going to talk to me, kaam hi kar lete hain, that's going to be much better for you. For me to manage my social and my dating life, this is the advice that I give to all of my high-level mentorship students, all of the people who work with me in person. So what happens is, people take the metro, people take the public transport to work. Even if you don't, just hear me out. One thing you can do is, because you got to work on your dating life, you can start approaching people in the metro. You can go out there, you can talk to people rather than feeling like always you've got to wait up for the weekend. No, don't do that. Even if you put in like, if it's a half an hour commute to work, and during that half an hour you start just one or two conversations with random people out there, with some girls, and you get that going, that's going to get the momentum rolling. So you don't have to wait for the weekend, you can get that done daily. So one thing I recommend every time is going into the public transport, going and coming back, talk to people out there, make use of that time that you're just maybe just scrolling on social media or just listening to a video or something like that. If you're listening to this video while commuting to work, put it off and just go say hi to someone. Start with men, then get to women and everything as well. Alright, get yourself comfortable out there. Second thing what I want you to do is I want you to carry your casual clothes while you go to work. Okay? A lot of people carry their gym clothes when they go to work. I want you to carry your casual clothes as well. So when you carry your casual clothes, you're putting yourself in the intention that you can, after work, once you get free, you can go to the nearest market, you can go to the nearest mall, or maybe you can go for a drink with some friends, or maybe you can go for a drink at the nearest bar, and you've got some clothes that you can wear and you can change into, and you can do half an hour, 2 hours of socializing every fucking day. This is going to be essential because what we're doing out here is we're building habits. If there are no habits, you're going to do it once or twice and it's not going to happen. Carry the bag with you while coming back. Get that done, talk to people. If you cannot carry a bag, if you've got public transport, you cannot keep it anywhere, I think that's also going to be fine. Just come back, talk to people, whoever you want to talk to. Just put this into your life where it becomes more of a habit rather than you waiting for the weekend as well. Now, during the weekdays, what you do is you talk to people and you build up those dates. You have those conversations and then you text them and you set up dates for the weekend. So, on the weekend, what happens is you can start going to the clubs on the weekend. I don't think anybody goes to the clubs as much as I, and I've been to the clubs at least 3 to 5 times a week for the past close to 8 to 10 years. And what I've seen is I meet a lot of people who are working out there. They get done with work at 8 p.m. and I meet them out there during the night. And these people are lawyers, architects, people working in the big four firms, people working in just basically proper professionals who might be working in marketing firms, anything. So no matter what profession you're in, and you're just getting done at 8 or 9 or 10 p.m. in the night, you can straight away head to the club and start conversation out there. Have a couple of drinks, call it a night by 12, and then head back home. What you're doing out here with these mini tasks, these mini actions that you're taking, you're building that momentum, and you're putting in the work daily. And over time, this is going to have such a crazy momentum that let's say you do this for a month, you're going to have shit tons of numbers with you. You're going to have so many people to call. And over the weekends, of course, you can go out there, you can meet more people. But another thing that you can do is you can set up those dates for the weekends. At the same time, you can meet your friends over the weekends as well. So here, when you go out there and when you're meeting people in the club, whatever you're doing, do not think of it from a one-dimensional way or a unidimensional way of that I'm only going to meet girls and I'm only going to meet girls who I'm going to, end up sleeping with or who I'm going to be in a romantic or a sexual relationship with. That's not what I want you to do out here. Something that can happen out here and that's going to be amazing for you is looking at people as friends as well. Because after work, you can chill with them, you can hang out with them. And specifically, if you're in a completely new city. So by now, you're traveling to work, you're meeting people, you're coming back, you're meeting people, you're going to the nearest market, you're talking to people out there and you're creating so many leads, you're creating opportunity out there. And by the end of it, you've got a lot of friends, you've got a lot of dates that you can set up for the weekends. Or on the weekends, you can go out there and you can meet more people as well. And this will become a part of your life with just spending half an hour to an hour every day. And over the weekends, you can go out more. So over the weekends, we'd like to run marathons. We like to run sessions of like 4 hours to 8 hours. Or like, 2 4-hour sessions on Saturday and Sunday. If this is a priority for you, if you want this to be done, you can get that done. Or what you can do on the weekend, like let's say it's a Sunday. So on a Sunday, you can have the first 4-hour session for day game. And in the evening, you can meet someone else. Similarly, you can have it for Friday and Saturday as well. So have a better management of how you're setting up your dates and how you're setting up meeting new people. Ideally, on Fridays, it's going to be amazing to set up a date because that's where people are getting off work. And the girls that you'll be meeting, they're going to be getting off work as well. So set up date for Friday. Saturday during the day, set up another date. In the evening, go out for night game, meet some more people. Maybe meet the same person on Sunday or set up a 4 to 8 hour day game session on Sunday. And that's going to have crazy management out there. Concluding, these are things that you can do. These are all the things that you can do. But here's one major mindset that you need to keep in mind. You're going to keep getting the same results. Your life is going to be the same till the time you do not do something about it. I know everyone is busy. I know there are a lot of things about it. But if you want different things to happen in your life, if you want the ideal dream dating life with an amazing successful career, you will have to take out the time. If you do not take out the time, it's going to just go off in a blip and then you're going to regret all this time that you could be spending out there. So go out there, apply it. And if any point in time you feel you need some help from me, you want to get mentored by me personally for the course of 90 days where I come in, I understand what the problems you're going through. We set up systems in place. We get you paired up with wings in your different city and we guide you every every week, multiple sessions we've got every week. You're just in touch with me through WhatsApp, through everything. If you want to get that done, click on the link below, go to ironmanlifestyle.co/coaching, fill up the application form, schedule a call with us, and we're going to see if it's a great fit. We're going to understand what are the problems you're going through, what are the solutions you need, how we can make this happen for you, and how we can tailor make it for you so that you get the ideal dream dating life. And I've been helping shit tons of working professionals, shit tons of high performing people get their amazing dating life. The past couple of years, we've worked with over 350, 400 people, and it's been absolutely fantastic with them. You can check out a lot of testimonials on the website as well. If that's you, schedule a call with us. Let's talk about it and let's get it done. It's going to be absolutely fucking amazing. This is Kshitij signing off from the hills, Himalayas mein yahan pe. I'm going to be here in Manali for just a couple more days. Then we'll be going back to Delhi. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit the subscribe button. You spank it, smash it, demolish it, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace, boys.
Drop it.